for the stabilization grant. Everybody had to put in an application. It was really important for us to really focus on staff. I mean, our staff have been here a long time, and many have been here anywhere from 8 to 29 years themselves, plus our newest one who just started June of last year. But we really wanted to focus on making sure that we could provide, higher salaries for our staff. We have always paid competitive salaries and benefits, but we needed to make sure we were taking care of our staff. They have been with us through the pandemic. I mean, we never closed our doors. When centers closed, we were serving the essential workers at that point. This was a great opportunity for them to receive the salaries they deserve. The focus has been on teachers getting $15 minimum. We were already there, but we weren't at the salary level that, based on their education and experience. So that's where we wanted to get to. And we offered a $150 benefit packet for a cafeteria style plan every month for retirement, child care, and just health insurance. We were able to increase that to $500 a month through September 2023. And then with the options on salary, we created a salary scale using our current model. We updated it and used the guidance of the North Carolina model salary scale. So we now have gone from a paraprofessional level to 30 years of experience and looking at their education from that paraprofessional to a level 13, which is a doctorate degree, and being able to pay them at those levels. We decided we've had a staff that's been here a long time, and we wanted to maintain that staff. Too many people have walked away because of the pandemic and COVID, but, our staff decided they wanted to stay here even though they, knew they might be at risk with COVID. But we wanted to make sure we rewarded them and paid them what they deserve, that we could increase those salaries, as well as it's time for several of our teachers to retire. It's a new generation of early educators out there. We're trying to create a new generation of educators here at community school so that we can grow even better here at Center and be able to reach more families. So that's why we chose to do that. We wanted to have competitive salaries when the new people came, and we wanted to be able to make sure our staff who were already here were making those salaries. Because one of the challenges with us previously is that on our sliding fee scale, it was a hiring scale. So we could hire people and they came in on that scale, but they didn't grow any further unless we gave them a raise during the year. And sometimes that was a challenge to get a raise, in between. They might get a raise, they might get a bonus, or they might not get anything. So they're stuck on that scale. So what the salary scale allowed us to do was to bring everybody that wasn't on the scale up to their salary. So if you were a teacher, for example, who had been here for 18 years and you made a salary of, say, $18 an hour or $19 an hour, now on my scale it says you need to be making $23 an hour or $24. So I was able to bring them up to that scale at a higher level. If they already, like my new person was already on that scale because she came in brand new, instead of her getting a higher salary scale, higher on the scale, she got a 5% increase. So either way, it benefited everybody. You either went up on the scale higher or you got a 5% increase. Plus, initially, they got a $600 bonus before they got the salary increase.